In the heart of the Middle East, where scorching sands meet ancient civilizations, a unique and resilient creature thrives, the desert cat. Adapted to the harsh desert environment, the sand cat, with its thick fur and large paws, is perfectly designed for life in the dunes. Its pale coat provides excellent camouflage, allowing it to blend seamlessly into its surroundings. A skilled hunter, the sand cat primarily preys on small rodents and reptiles. Its exceptional hearing and night vision enable it to locate prey even in the darkest hours. While the sand cat is a true desert dweller, feral cats have also made their homes in the bustling cities of the Middle East. These adaptable creatures have learned to coexist with humans, often found in markets and alleyways. Cats have been an integral part of Middle Eastern culture for centuries. They were revered in ancient Egypt and continue to hold a special place in the hearts of people today. Their independence and grace make them fascinating creatures to study. The Middle East is home to several unique cat breeds, including the Arabian Mau and the Turkish Angora. These cats have distinct characteristics that have developed over centuries of adaptation to their environment. From the vast deserts to the bustling cities, cats have left an indelible mark on the Middle East. Their resilience, beauty, and mysterious nature continue to captivate us.